Hello and welcome back to Swami Vivekananda Institute of Modern Science, Department of Media Science. This is Susheta Roy, and today we'll be talking about the Sadharanikaran communication process. Well, as we know before, we have always learned about the communication process of different people, and like this is absolutely a system of communication and how it can be communicated. Now, Sadharanikaran process, it is basically a very ancient process and which has been discussed by an eminent person is Dr. Nirmala Mani Adhikari. So this is a brainchild of Dr. Nirmala Mani Adhikari, and he is an MPhil, MA, and he's from Nepal. And he has basically given us the meaning of Sadharanikaran process. Well, it is very simple. Sadharanikaran means simplification without dilution. Represents a communication tradition that includes simplification. That's the emotions. We have always learned there has to be a receiver and there has to be the receiver of the message, and one has to communicate the message, and the delivery of the message, the same thing, absolutely the same thing. But here there's the emotion. The rasa is important, which is not there in the normal form of communication. Sharidya, it's compassion with affection. Asymmetry is the hierarchy, and the social universation. So what exactly the fundamental of the Sadharanikaran model is? The article describes Sadharanikaran model of communication, and the outlines, it basically discusses the concept of a Hindu poetic acknowledgement and its relevance for the modern discipline of communication, and it represents the account as the background upon which the model was developed and proposed. The description part of the article is primarily indented by Nakshatra and Vakyapadya. So now how we get into this, get into the root of this, the model, like what exactly is the Sadharanikaran. Well, let's get to the basic, the figure of it. Now, how is it? The receiver, the Sahridya, and the message is the message is the sanket, and the dosha is basically the barriers of communication. So it's the same thing. And now let's discuss things about, like, this is Dr. Nirmala Mani Adhikari, and he has basically given you the pratikriya. The pratikriya is what is the feedback process. The feedback process. Now, well, so what are the elements? What are the basic elements of the Sadharanikaran model of communication? So this is the brainchild of Nirmala Mani Adhikari, and the model of communication often regarded among the Asian and the Hindu philosophies. So, and the communication theories, the model has been incorporated in the curricula of various academic institutions around the world. Sadharanikaran model represents the communication process from the Bharatvarsha Hindu perspective. The Sadharanikaran means mutual understanding, commonness or oneness among the people. So it basically illustrates how the communication parties interact in the system to achieve the Sahaditya, and the Sahaditya is a state of common orientation, commonality, and the mutual understanding or the oneness. So that these are the elements. Now, what exactly we go into the, in other words, Sadharanikaran is also defined as the as the conversion of one's feelings and attaining the feelings of others. So by this we can conclude that the Sadharanikaran is the generalization of making ordinary. So we say that the Sadharanikaran model is a non-linear. Why? Because it's a feedback process. So obviously cannot be a linear model. So linear model doesn't have a feedback. So we can say the Sadharanikaran model is a non-linear model, and the word Sadharanikaran composed by the combination of Shaha and Dharan. So which the Shaha means same and Dharan means to get or to be amplified. So we can say that the word Sadharanikaran ordinarily and Sadharanikaran is generalized as feelings and ideas and emotions. So the word has its root in Bharat Muni Nakshatra. The Bharat Muni describes Sadharanikaran as the point in the climax of drama, when the audience becomes one of the actors who lives an experience through his or her acting or stage and starts simultaneously reviving the same experience. So Bharat Nayak as used as a word is the various poetics. So when we talk about the model further, so what are the elements? The model has been proposed consisting of these elements. What are the elements? Now, the number one is the sahridya, the sender and the receiver. Bhava are the moods or emotions. Avijnana is like how we express or encode. Now, Sandesha is obviously the message or information. Sharani is the channel. Rashavadana is firstly receiving, decoding and interpreting the message, and finally achieving the rasa. Dosha are the noises or the barriers, and Sandarbha is the context, and Pratikriya, the most important part, is the feedback part. So here we come to the end of the Sadharanikara. It's a very simple model of communication. So, and we'll come back again with obviously some more videos about communication. Thank you so much.